All right, happy Monday, everybody. Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we're going to go back into ICP. All right, guys, happy Monday. I hope everybody had a lovely weekend. Who caught that scam pump yesterday? Many of you guys would have been getting super excited over the pump that happened last night, right? Sunday pumps are not to be trusted. Now, when you look at the volume profile on this, it actually it's not showing it in here, but there was pretty much like no volume. So this was a lot of manipulation happening right before the start of the week. And when these things happen, like right at the end of the week, when nobody's really trading, it's pretty much guaranteed that we're going to give all of the gains back. And one thing that made this a little bit worse is the fact that Bitcoin dominance is still pretty high. Now we are finding resistance at around 64%. However, we could just break through this. Hopefully, we do reject at 64% and start to print lower lows. Then our altcoin bags are going to get wrecked. So we will find out if Bitcoin dominance has topped or not. If we can hold below that 66%, that's going to be great. If Bitcoin wants to have a slow, gradual grind to 66%, it may not look too good for alts for a little while until we can start to break these lows, guys. But trust me, if we do break these lows, it's going to be party time again pretty soon. Now, I think it was on Friday I made a video for all of you guys to let you know what my honest thoughts on the price action were. My honest thoughts, okay? Removed all bias, all that sort of stuff. And people coming in saying, this dude's a bearish clown, unsubscribe. Bye-bye. Unsubscribe, please. But a big downfall of not only the ICP community, but again, this was an ICP video, is how cult-like and emotional it gets in cryptocurrency. You gotta watch the whole videos, because at the end of the video, not even at the end, like in the midsection of the video, I said, by the way, this isn't me being bearish, by the way. I'm just letting you know it's not really great what we're seeing with the price of ICP right now. However, am I selling? Am I going to give up at this point in the market? Hell no, they ain't taking my crypto off me. Now, talking about selling, this guy is longing. 40x hyperliquid whale just increased his position to 460 million with leverage. What does he know? I hate these what does he know tweets because they don't know anything, the majority of them. We saw so many of these get liquidated just a few months ago in March, guys. So does he know something? Does he not? I'm going to go with no, but I'm going to say he's got big balls, pretty a lot of money. And who knows? Maybe if Bitcoin doesn't get the retrace to 90k, that could potentially be on the cards this week. Then he's going to be a very, very rich man. And what do I know? Or something I know is that all of you guys came through and you let me know in the past video, Lex, Caffeine AI is around the corner. Their first self-writing apps platform. First time that Web3 betters Web2 technology. First time 99% degens can understand ICP. On-chain is the new online/real. Blah, 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 blah. AI, power to the people. And then he tweeted to say, on World Computer Day, the 3rd of June, which is going to be, I believe, in 2 weeks from today, at Definity HQ in Zurich, may as well have been called Caffeine AI and Self-Writing Internet Day. Can't get no sleep. Now, does this mean that he's releasing it on that day? I will believe the releases when I see it, guys. So maybe it may just be like, these are major upgrades that have happened. This is how far we are along in the progress. If anyone has said that this is definitely when they're going to launch it, let me know. But I think people do hold on to these things and just expect the most. But whether or not you and I, the smaller wallets, are reaching new levels, signaling growth, growing trust, enthusiasm. 5 million ICP held by Fish. The network continues to evolve. Are you keeping an eye on the momentum? Well, we've got to keep an eye on it, and so far the momentum for Bitcoin looks pretty bearish, right? We said in the last video, MACD on the daily is crossing bearish. We should be expecting some bearish price action to the 100 MA at 92k. We thought we were going to get a scam pump out of it. We didn't. We gave back all of the gains, guys. So unless we consolidate for the next week, then we're most likely going down to around 92k or wherever this 100 MA does catch up to. Let's also say that we've probably got another good level of support at around here. If it doesn't want to give us their MA, which is going to be 97k. So to be honest, I'm expecting like minimum 97k if the pullback does continue. And as we spoke about in the previous ICP video, we were somewhere around here, and I said, right, we're probably going to go back to $5, which isn't going to be great. We're going to retest this trend line. We're retesting the trend line. If we can just maybe scale down it rather than break through and go to like $4. That would be really, really good. But again, another reason I said that the price performance on ICP has been very lackluster. I mean, it literally is. You look at where we are now compared to where we are in the bear market. Not much gains, like 80% gains, pre 70% gains. Right now, it doesn't mean the gains won't come, guys. So at a key level of support on the shorter time frame, still got to break that 100 MA at $5.97. If we break through it, then we're going to be testing these range lows here. But so far, we're just following the general market, guys. Bitcoin's looking not bearish because we're at 103k, but looking like it needs some time to cool off from that monster move we had. Bitcoin dominance still looks like it wants to push up a little bit higher, which isn't going to be great for our altcoins. You can see we've got a bullish cross forming for Bitcoin dominance. So if we do start to go and re-tackle these range highs, not going to be too good, but only time's going to tell, guys. So we hold on until June the 3rd. You guys let me know if you think Caffeine AI is coming out. And that's it. If you found anything in this video useful, you know what to do. Click that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment to get these bots out of the comment section. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.